Let's go through what campaign pages and lead pages are in Teamtailor and how to benefit from them. Click on Content and then Add Page to choose which kind of page you'd like to create. Here you've got a choice between a campaign, lead, or blank page. Add a blank page if you want to create a page from scratch without a template. In this video, we'll explain how to use the first two options. A campaign page lets you customize a site to use in any which way you'd like. For example, use it to increase the amount of candidates from a specific target group, such as students, or share information to link to from your career page. Name your campaign and check this box if you want your campaign page to be seen in your career site navigation menu. Here's your page. Click on Hero to edit your title, subheading, and image. Make sure to add a call to action that suits the purpose of your page best in order to reap the benefits. You can add the same kind of content to your campaign page as on your career page, such as FAQs, gallery, timeline, and all the rest. This way, you can tailor your campaign page with the information that serves you best. To change the name and description of your campaign page, click on Settings and edit them here. Click Save and you're good to go. If you want to link to your page from your career site, simply add a call to action on your career site. Click on Increase Traffic to a page and select the page you want to link to. Your career page tracking through Google Analytics will be active on this page as well. So, if your page leads to a conversion on a job ad, you will see your Teamtailor pages as a source in Analytics. Let's move on to lead pages. Think of a lead page as an alternative to a job ad that helps boost engagement with passive talent. Passive talent is on the rise, and in order to keep recruitment candidate-centric, we've created this page to adhere to this growing target group. To create a lead page, click on Lead Page and link the job opening you want to create the lead page for. Usually, passive talent doesn't apply to positions, but are qualified and open to discussing the opportunity. On this page, let them know why the job is interesting and request their contact information. Add your header, description, call to action text, response time, and image. Under Supporting Content, add a few facts about your company that get them excited about the opportunity. These will show up on the left side of the page. You can add a candidate chat to your lead page to get you even closer to candidates. To do so, click on Settings here and customize the pop-up text for this lead page. Make sure to add the contact person. See what kinds of people show interest that wouldn't otherwise apply. Make sure to save your edits and publish the lead page by clicking on the drop-down here. If you want to get the word out there, spread your page on social media through Promote. When people apply to a job through lead pages, they will be tagged with Lead on their candidate card. You can filter on these candidates in your candidate bank here. You'll also be able to see from which page they connected with you. The most important thing to do when you receive leads is to follow up with them quickly and nurture them. Otherwise, you'll miss out on a potential next hire. Use as many campaign pages or lead pages as you want. And as always, let us know if you have any questions.